Finding an opportunity in the Funding Finder. In this session we will cover how to use the Funding Finder and locate an opportunity. So how do you find opportunities in the funding service?
Hi, my name's Damien, and today I'm going to take you through applying for funding on the new UKRI funding service. So you're likely to be looking for funding via the UKRI website. So that's at ukri.org. And all of the funding opportunities that we have available within UKRI and across our councils is all available here. You can browse through them. You can sort by research councils if there's a particular research council that you're used to dealing with, or you can do a search for your funding opportunities. So if I was to go and do a search down here, I can then quickly find an opportunity that's relevant to me. You can put in any keywords that are appropriate to the area of work that you do. And you'll find funding opportunities that hopefully are available to you to apply to. And so if I were to go into this one here, for example, what we see here is all the information that I need to understand in order to apply for this opportunity, including the times that I need to apply within, how much money is available. Importantly, eligibility information is available here, so I can see whether that's something that's appropriate for me, as well as what we're looking for, and all of the how to apply information that includes all of the sections that you will see in the application form and the word counts, etc., that you'll be subject to whilst you're working through and coming up with your proposal for this grant funding opportunity.
So that is how to use the Funding Finder and locate an opportunity. If you would like more information, then please go to our website, www.ukri.org. For any queries, contact the Funding Service Help Desk by emailing support@funding-service.ukri.org or call the Funding Service Help Desk on 017935 47490.